You all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. In today's video, we will be checking out how we can make $500 tonight. Okay, we will be doing the analysis together and see how it will turn out. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end if you are willing to make as much as $500 tonight. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works and how you can make some cool cash with it. And of course, you should also practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis. And of course, right from this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it kept on buying and buying, gave us a buying order around there, it gave us another opportunity around there, and of course we had another opportunity after this pullback. Okay, it was a major one, and of course it bought till it got to this resistance zone. Right now it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone, so it's most likely for it to go on downtrend, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on on uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, it signifies an uptrend, and of course it has been buying and buying since then. We had an opportunity to come in around there, another opportunity around there, yet another one, and another one, and of course it has got into the resistance zone. It's unable to go further than that, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag, it signifies a downtrend, and the red arrow signifies an entry order. Okay, so this is in profit at the moment, huge profit. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It was on downtrend but got to this support zone, started a buy trend from there. It was unable to break out above this resistance zone. You can see this. Okay, so it started selling right from there. Okay, so if it should break out below here, it's going to sell more. So for now, this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It was an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it. It started a downtrend right from it. You can see the red flag, and of course it gave us an entry point with this red arrow around there, and of course it has been selling since then. Of course guys, it has got into this part of it, so heading towards this support zone. If it's unable to break out below this, then it will pull back a bit and try it out again. But for now, this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. This is V75. It has been on uptrend and got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag, gave us a red arrow, which signifies a sell signal, and of course here is another sell signal and yet another one, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, and of course it's starting a buy trend at the moment. Okay, you can see the yellow flag and of course the blue arrow, which signifies a buy, and of course we just need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, and of course do your own personal practice before you go fully into it on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.